Northstone are a new house builder, growing pretty rapidly, I would say. They do a bit of a different product to other house builders, keen on sustainability. Brilliant company to work for. I've been with them since October, and there's 2 live sites at the time, and already we have 5 live sites going. I've always used brick and block, to be honest, so I would prefer to use brick and block, so it's a case of stick to what you know type thing. Aircrete are a lot lighter, aren't they? Easier to use for the groundwork, there's less manual handling, heaviness should I say. The Celcon Blocks are a decent block to use, you know. The bricklayers seem pretty happy using them and building them, and yeah, I'd definitely use them again. Yeah. But as you can see, we're at the very start, you know, so I imagine if there's any issues going forward, I'd like to think that, you know, the technical support will be there for me on hand.
We support regional house builders like Northstone, supplying them an allocation, set them out monthly loads, and that'll hopefully help them plan their build schedule with their loads delivered to them per month. They're a relatively new company to the house building industry, and they're growing. They tend to do things a little bit different in a good way to the way they build, even though every house is pretty much the same on each plot. I think we've got a very good relationship that we've built over the last 2 or 3 years with them as well. Hopefully, as they grow, I would like to grow our business with them as well, as they open up more sites, possibly maybe even more regions. I would like to support them with not only product but technical information as well as they move along. They already build above specification on most sites as well, which is also a benefit to them. But using aircrete helps to achieve that as well. The benefit of using H+H blocks is the thermal efficiency they can give for the house builders to meet the required U values and specifications, local councils. We tend to deliver a lot more on a load compared to other block manufacturers because of the weight of our blocks. Again, they're easy to use, because bricklayers like them because they're lighter, and they're easy to cut as well with a handsaw rather than a mechanical instrument, again, which brings in another health and safety factor. We offer regular site visits if needs be, whether it be for the technical information to do with the build, not necessarily the product, whether it be checking the product mix is correct and what they're using it in the right place as well. And like I said, that can be as little as often as they need. The benefits of partnering with H+H is we've got a long history of supplying the regional and national house builders within the UK. We've got 3 factories, covers the UK. We've got a very good technical team for support, marketing team for support, and ourselves as well, who are offering support, whether it's be to site, to office, and our delivery department as well, and customer services.